Ever wondered how a Dallas Cowboys jersey is made? Let's step inside a high-tech factory where engineering meets football tradition.
Every professional jersey must meet strict NFL quality standards while remaining lightweight, breathable, and durable for game day performance.
Many modern jerseys also use recycled polyester made from plastic bottles, reducing waste without sacrificing strength.
Production starts with premium 100% polyester, chosen for moisture management, durability, and excellent athletic performance.
Elite jerseys use advanced four-way stretch performance fabrics that move naturally while helping shoulder pads stay securely positioned. Engineers design ventilation zones around the spine and underarms to maximize cooling during intense football action.
Before production begins, designers prepare a detailed tech pack containing every manufacturing specification. The tech pack acts as the factory's blueprint, ensuring every jersey is produced exactly the same. Licensed jerseys undergo multiple approval stages before factories receive permission for mass production. Large stacks of fabric are carefully aligned to maximize material efficiency before cutting begins. Automatic cutters create perfectly shaped pieces with remarkable speed and almost zero production errors. Next comes sublimation printing, where artwork is prepared using specialized transfer paper. Heat transforms the ink into gas, permanently bonding colors directly inside the polyester fibers. Industrial heat presses accurately position every player name and number exactly where required. Premium versions receive beautifully embroidered details that enhance durability and visual quality. Elite jerseys feature sewn-on twill numbers for the authentic appearance seen on professional fields. Now, skilled operators begin assembling every panel into a complete football jersey.
Flat lock stitching creates comfortable seams that reduce rubbing during fast and physical competition. Overlock stitching strengthens edges, preventing unraveling through demanding game conditions and repeated washing.
Neck taping and elastic sleeve bands improve comfort while increasing long-term durability.
Every finished jersey is professionally pressed to achieve its clean retail presentation.
Quality inspectors carefully examine every detail before any jersey leaves the production line.
Official color guides guarantee consistent shades that perfectly match approved team standards.
Approved jerseys are neatly folded with care instructions and official branded packaging. Cartons are scanned, sealed, and prepared for distribution to retailers around the world.
Soon these jerseys reach stores, ready for passionate fans and dedicated collectors everywhere.
Behind every jersey lies advanced engineering, skilled craftsmanship, and rigorous quality control working together. From recycled fibers to the finished jersey, every step reflects precision, innovation, and the pursuit of football excellence.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.